MM and QM integration. So we had already discussion about the MM and ST integration, right? So last time we already discussed about this one. MMSD integration means what are the topics we have? STO and third party, right? So these two topics which is covering from the we are integrating from the MM to ST, correct? So while doing STO, we are doing PO and outbound delivery and PGA, right? So here PGA and outbound delivery will cover under the ST, right? And in the third party system, we are creating initial sales order. In sales order, the purchase requisition will be created automatically. So this is also integration point of that MM and SD. Now today we'll discuss about that MM and QM integration. So what do you mean by MM and integration? MM QM integration. Okay. So once we receive the stock, okay. Usually, how we will get the stock? It will go to unrestricted stock, right? So if you see that MMBE, in MMBE, if you see that the stock will be obviously it will be there in the unrestricted stock. That means it is a regular stock. That means we can sell this stock, right? So some cases, how it will be like, a client request is whenever we receiving the stock, definitely we'll go to the quality. Once the quality team is approved for the stock, then only I can use for the unrestricted. Okay, so basically it will be quality to unrestricted stock. Okay, or might be it might be different, like quality to block stock also. Suppose let's say once I receive the stock, those stocks are not good. That means it is completely spoiled. So then I can do what I can do. I can block those stocks. I don't want to sell to anyone. I don't want to use the stock, right? So we can do these two ways, right? Some cases what we can do, either we can quality to return to vendor. Okay, what we can do, we can do the vendor returns as well here. That means immediately once the quality failure, the stock, we will return back the stock to vendor, right? So in our last class, we already had a discussion about the vendor returns, right? Hope you understand about that process, right? So now let's go to this one, quality to unrestricted. So these three casual, usually it will come under the MM and QM integration. Okay. Now let's go to that. The process will be the same. Nothing is there. Only PO creation and GR, all it will be same. But there will be a extra additionally transaction which is done. That is for the we are validating the quality for the stock. Okay. Now let me how the system will understood that whether I should go directly unrestricted or I should go directly quality for checkup. Okay, let's go to MM01. Okay, let's go to MM01. So here what we need to do, this we have quality management view. Okay, QM, quality management. So what we need to do here, okay, let me check that. Okay, see here there is a inspection setup is there. Okay, here if you see that here we have the inspection setup.